What's up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. Breathing like a fat kid. So I'll make some quick hoop house covers for all my seedlings. It's supposed to get hard frost tonight, so I'm out here in the dark. Let's see if I can turn some lights on. There we go. Make a few extra hoop houses. It's supposed to freeze tonight, so underneath here there's a lot of my seed starts. Some of them might started today, that's why they look dry. Some of them are moist, they've been started before, and they were in cold frames, so making some new ones. All right, just want to let you guys know, and gals, what I'm up to. 9:30 at night, putting together cold frames. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, most complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Godspeed, simplify, grow stuff.